Did you know? Instead of traditional casting, we can now print an entire block of metal. It all starts with ultrafine metal powder. A powerful laser melts each powder layer, forming the desired shape. Layer by layer, the object takes shape in 3D. The result? Precision down to a few microns, thinner than a human hair. In aerospace, metal 3D printing creates parts that are lightweight yet incredibly strong. In healthcare, it enables custom bone implants tailored for each patient. Compared to traditional machining, it saves material and reduces waste. Metal 3D printing could transform global manufacturing from cars to aircraft to weapons. This is not just technology, it's the manufacturing revolution of the 21st century. What do you think? Leave a comment. Remember to subscribe to the channel to discover more interesting videos.